Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll tell you how to do CV edits and color correction of your photo in a professional way using Photoshop application with the highest available clarity. If you like, then subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First open Photoshop, then go to File, then New Layer, then change the preset to Photo and change the width to 2:3. Then change the background to Other and choose the color, that is FFB007. Then simply go to the adjustment layer, then go to gradient layer, then change the style to radial and scale to 70. Adjust the radial light on the head, then click OK. Now simply add the PNG I have given in the description, then drag and drop the PNG on the photo. Then adjust that PNG by simply click Alt Shift. Then adjust the PNG. Then drag and drop the model image. Now simply click OK. Now choose the quick selection tool, zoom the photo and simply click on the model image. I am clicking so faster. Then go to Refine Edge tool. Then change the determinant color. Simply click on the hair layer and brush out the hair. Now erase out the extra layer by simply eraser tool. Now open selection tool, then select the layer, then simply erase out the layer. Then resize the background layer by simply click Ctrl Command T and resize as wise. Now open crop tool, then crop out the image you want. Now go to filter and open camera raw filter. Then adjust the temperature, tint and exposure likewise. शैडो को थोड़ा ज़्यादा, वाइट को थोड़ा कम, ब्लैक को थोड़ा ज़्यादा कर देंगे, क्लैरिटी थोड़ा कम, वाइब्रेंस ज़्यादा एंड सैचुरेशन को थोड़ा कम कर देंगे. ओके, लाइट को थोड़ा ज़्यादा, देन लुमिनेंस एंड कंट्रास्ट को थोड़ा ज़्यादा कर देंगे. देन एक कलर करेक्शन लेयर, ऑरेंज के ह्यूनेस को थोड़ा ज़्यादा, लुमिनेंस को थोड़ा ज़्यादा कर देंगे. ओके, now it is adjust to our background layer. Now open the smudge tool, then take the pencil brush on the hair, go to preset, open the pencil layer, then simply click on the hair layer. Now simply brush out the hair which style you want. I'll do it first. Then open file and place embedded. Then open the smoke layer I have given in the description. Now simply drag and drop the Now change the blend mode to screen. Then click OK. Now change the smoke layer to the first layer. Then simply duplicate the smoke layer by simply click Ctrl Command J and adjust the duplicate layer. Now erase out the duplicate layer by brush tool. Now simply add the PNG flavor I have given in my description. Now erase out by simply magic eraser tool. Then click smart object. Then erase out. Now place the flavor layer. And simply erase out the extracted layer. Now it looks really awesome with the highest available quality. Now simply click 5 and save in PNG format for highest available clarity. Thank you.